A place to be, to groom your words, a place that is secured for the rest of mine. No other place but burial schools is the best.
Hello, my lovely learners at home. How are you doing? I believe you're doing well. My name is Miss J. And today I'll be taking you on the subject word work. And we'll be looking at an interesting lesson today, which is 3-letter words. What did I say? 3-letter words. Are you thinking of 2? No, I say 3-letter words. Now when we talk about 3, we are looking at 3 like this, number 3. Words with 3-letter words. Now, what are 3-letter words? 3-letter words are those words that have only 3 letters. Somebody can use the fingers. What are 3-letter words? 3-letter words are those words that have only 3 letters. So when you're saying it, you use your fingers to show to mommy that you know your numbers. So what are 3-letter words? Let's try to say it together. 3-letter words are those words that have only 3 letters. What are 3-letter words? 3-letter words are those words that have only 3 letters. Examples are, let's look at number 1 example. We have C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Let's look at it. We'll count the letters. 1, 2, 3. That means we are correct. 3-letter words have 3 letters, like letter 1, letter 2, letter 3. So 3-letter words have 3 letters. So examples of 3-letter words. Let's look at this. Examples are D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Another one, M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. The next one, S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. C-U-P, cup. Again, C-U-P, cup. F-A-N, fun. F-A-N, fun. C-A-P, cup. C-A-P, cup. And the last one here we have B-O-X, bugs. B-O-X, bugs. Alright, so what are 3-letter words? 3-letter words are those words that have only 3 letters. So let's sing it together because we'll move to the examples and I want you to learn how to say it. Because at the end of this lesson, you should be able to say 3-letter words and write them. As you say C-A-T, cat, you're writing. So let's start again, 3-letter words. What are 3-letter words? 3-letter words are those words that have only 3 letters. 3-letter words are those words that have only 3 letters. Examples are R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. B-A-G, bag. M-A-N, man. C-A-P, cup. F-A-N, fun. C-U-P, cup. B-O-X, bug. keep saying it over and over again, you see that you'll be able to say, define 3-letter words and their examples. And now, the next thing you will do is you learn to say and write it. For example, when mommy gives you your exercise, what you do is number 1, C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. You move to number 2, B-O-Y, boy. Number 3, F-A-N, fan. That means as you're calling the letters, you are writing them. So when you say B, you write B. When you say O, you write O. You move to the last one, Y, you write it. That is how you're going to get it. And before you know it, you'll be able to write even more than 10 words with 3 letters. Is that beautiful? Okay, so let's just look at this for the last time before I'll give you a very simple homework, the one you'll be able to do very well. So what are 3-letter words? Can I hear you saying it? Okay, can you just say it now? What are 3-letter words? Let's try it together. 3-letter words are those words that have only 3 letters. Examples are R-A-T, rat, B-A-G, bag, M-A-N, man, C-A-P, cap, F-A-N, fan, C-U-P, cup, B-O-X, box, S-I-T, sit, D-O-G, dog, J-U-G, dog. That is beautiful. Can you clap for yourself? Clap for yourself. That is lovely. So now we'll move to our homework. Okay, learners. Here is our homework. We have 2 questions here. Number 1 says, what are 3-letter words? What did I say? What are 3-letter words? I can hear you telling me that 3-letter words are, you know it better. Now, number 2 says, mention 10 examples of 3-letter words. I want you to sing it for mommy and daddy. These examples that I've given to you, these are not all, okay? There are more of 3-letter words. Like I wrote here, B-O-Y, boy. Okay, I even say C-A-T, cat. There are other examples. C-A-P, tap. You can mention them. Keep saying it. Ask mommy and daddy. Try. Say it. Or you can also even look at the ones that I've given to you and say it without looking at your book. R-A-T, rat. B-A-G, bag. But do you know what I want you to do? Make sure that you're able to say 3-letter words or 10 words with 3 letters. What did I say? 10 examples of 3 letters. And you'll be the best. You're always the best. Alright, lovely babies at home. We've come to the end of our lesson and it's good to say bye. I love you. Take care.